Hello all, welcome to part 2 session of programming language. In first part, we have seen the first generation of programming language, that is machine level language. Next, second generation of programming language, that is assembly level language. Then third generation of programming language, that is high level language. Now in this part, we will see the very high level language, that is scripting language. Scripting language. Now if we consider the C, C++, Java, etc. languages, these all are the programming languages. The programming languages and scripting languages both are high level languages which are used to instruct the machine. Now if both the languages are doing the same thing, then why we require the two different languages? As per the language structure is concerned, both the languages are same. In actual, all scripting languages are programming languages. Major difference is scripting language do not require free compiler, rather they are interpreted. Compiler takes machine code at once and convert it to machine code, whereas interpreter does a same thing, that converting high level language to machine level language, but line by line, one by one at runtime environment. It is platform independent language. It is also referred as dynamic high level general purpose interpreted languages. Environments that can be automated through scripting, including software application, web pages within a web browser. Various examples are JavaScript, VBScript, Perl, Python, PowerShell, and so on. Here are some examples of server-side scripting languages, that are PHP, ASP.NET, Node.js, Ruby, Perl, Python, and like client-side scripting languages, we are having HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Here we can see the comparison in between the compiler, interpreter, and assembler. Compiler is nothing but the software that converts programs written in a high level language into machine language. Interpreter is nothing but the software that translates a high level language program into machine language. And assembler is nothing but the software that converts programs written in assembly level language into machine language. Compiler converts the whole high level language program to machine language at a time. In interpreter, it converts the high level language program to machine language line by line. And assembler converts assembly level language program to machine language. These are some examples related with the compiler, that is used by C and C++. Interpreter used by the Ruby, Perl, Python, and PHP, and assembler are used by all assembly languages. These are the references of part 1 and part 2. In next session, we will see the C programming language, features of C programming language, C character set, constant variables and keywords used in C language, and comment in C program. So that is all about the today's session. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.